Okay, thank you. We are back again at SFO Creation Technologies to make you know about and welcome you to the cPanel of your website to get about how the cPanel look like. When you get to the cPanel after you access your login details, both your username and your password sent by your hosting providers, you'll be able to see to manage how the cPanel is. This is the control panel as it is be called cPanel, where you'll be able to manage every document on your website. And on this platform, you'll be able to add, you'll be able to delete, you'll be able to do so many things that your document, your website is needed. Now look at this logo here. You can change your password. The password given to you, you can change your password. You put that password and change another password, it will be changed automatically. You need this so that because the password given to you by your hosting provider will be something not unique, but you have to get a unique password that you can remember at always. And that same functions there are still on the same preferences. And now let's go to the file. Here on this file manager, you'll be able to delete, you'll be able to edit, and there are things we call FTP account, that is a file transfer protocol, and free FTP software. We have software that is used for FTP accounts. These packages are meant for you to upload direct HTML file. That is when you don't want to use the CMS content management system to work on your website. But for the benefits of this, we'll be using the CMS and we'll go back to them. But you just have to take note of this. You can also make backup. You save every content of your website and back it up on your external hard drive for future purposes. This is database. You should know that every website we are using is written, and every online things are written by a database. Every data that you are uploading on your website, they are stored here. We have the phpMyAdmin, we have the MySQL database, the remote MySQL, and this remote MySQL is online. That is why it is remote, it is online. Now we have the domain. Under this domain, you could see you can manage your domain. We have add-on domain, we have subdomain, we have aliases, that is pack domain and redirect. Now let me explain this add-on domain. Add-on domain is you've purchased this hosting and you now have another domain you want to add this. You just have to click on it, you add the domain. We'll come back, I will make a special video on how you add an add-on domain, and also for subdomain, how you make a subdomain. A subdomain is when you create a subdomain, it's going to be the name you created dot your original domain. But for add-on domain, it will be an original domain you are bringing in to the website. Now, pack domain. There are some people, they will buy a domain and they will pack it, which means if you buy that domain, nobody could be able to use it. Now let's say for example, you buy a domain name with another person's name, and when those company want to need it, they want to use that name, they couldn't get it again. Okay, still continuing, we are now at the email section. Now the email account, forwarder email. Now email account, you can create email, official email for your website on your email account. And the forwarder email, the official email you create for your website, you can link it to your Gmail account, so that any email coming into your official email, you will receive it on your Gmail account. This webmail is where you access your email online from this cPanel. That is where you access your email on this cPanel. This is metrics to know about the account statistics and the logs of the website. The security, we have the IP blocker and the SSL. Now this SSL is what secure socket, is a secure socket layer, whereby that it helps to, is a certificate that helps to secure your website. Now software. Now these are software that are online. We have SEO tools, we have Subtaculous app installer, we have Site Builder, Cloudflare. These software are online for you to use. You can choose. Now it's either you use with Site Builder. The Site Builder is not free, you have to pay for it. If you pay for it, then you'll be able to use the tool. We are also the SEO tools, they are not free, depending on the hosting services you are using. But the Softaculous app installer, they are free that you can use. If you look down, you will still see them, Softaculous app installer. That is when we are talking about the CMS, the content management system. These are support. Maybe you need help, tutorial online, all those things. They are support. You can go the domain type to learn about the on the web things for you. But note, not all hosting services cPanel. This is the same platform, not this is the same platform, the same way it works all for all hosting platform. Now these are the statistics about the plan. For this is a free hosting. You can see the plan is a free hosting. We only have one FTP account. We have subdomain unlimited, subdomain, add-on domain unlimited, add-on domain, pack domain unlimited. Now the reason for all these unlimited is that they are the number of domain, the number of domain you can add to this hosting. Now each MySQL, you can see the MySQL database is one already. One is used out of the unlimited. The reason is because we have created a link on this website already. So the disk quota is unlimited and 49 GB space has been used. For the bandwidth is unlimited and like that. So these are just the things you need to know about the statistics. Now we are going to install WordPress. We are going to install WordPress. Special, we are going to install WordPress. But we thank you for watching this video. Just help us subscribe to this channel, subscribe to this video, and get in touch so that